Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching Mail Call. I got my very first box of the So What box. So I have to start out by saying that they sent this to me. I did not subscribe to it, but I am very excited about looking into it. When I first saw the box being advertised, and I think it was on Facebook, I was intrigued because I do a lot of the quilting and different things, and I don't bet you guys, but there's only so many quilts a house can hold, you know, and I like sewing. It is my stress relief, but I always wanted to branch out and try some other things. So, the So What box. If you decide that you would like to purchase one for yourself, please check out the affiliate link down in the description. Doesn't cost you any extra, but it will kind of help out my channel, help me, help support it a little bit, just like the Amazon affiliate links. So let's give this an open and let's see what's inside. I have been watching and waiting for this, so I am very excited. I don't know about you guys, but it's always like, you're getting a little Christmas present. You're getting a little extra birthday present. You go into the mailbox and, it's just always very exciting to see what's inside. I will tell you that the people I've been in contact with have been very friendly, very nice. Taylor. I like the box. It's not a lot of extra space. It's just the right size. And very nicely packaged. Yeah, I peeked into it earlier. Very nicely packaged. And the first thing, I have a tool. I have a button gauge and point turner. Which... I have a button gauge and point turner. Which, always handy. Buttons are one of my nemesis. I'm not that great with them, but I love the way it says sew button loosely one at a time. Place the gauge between the fabric and button, slipping thread into the slot. Remove the gauge, thread up between the button and fabric, wind it right. It tells you exactly how to do it. And that's on this side, and then your turners here. Again, I like to do getting back into making some dolls on my embroidery machine, so very handy. I am looking forward to using that. That's going to go into one of my pencil holders to keep on hand, nice and handy. We have a little list. This is rock and roll, so rock and roll. Inspired by musical fabrics. The project for this month, that's one other thing I like, is in looking at them, that every month there's a project. This will be a cord organizer. If you're using headphones or you're charging cords. This month's Fat Quarter bundle is 100% cotton. You're going to find the project tutorial video and pattern at the link on the card inside the kit. On the back we have tips on elastic, and then you have a handy point turner. Don't forget to share photos of your box and project, and then they give you a group, sewwhatbox.com/group. Sincerely, Taylor the Tailor. I like that. And like I said, I've been in contact with Taylor and she seems very nice. Fabric bundle. I like the musical notes, and the little ribbon that attaches them together, that bundles them, are tags saying homemade, handmade, home sewing, handmade. So all you have to do is just cut them, and then you can include them on your projects. Those will be very nice, especially for giving gifts. We have some babies being born at church. I have another great nephew. Let's see. And then the project, which I have permission from the tailor, to sew this on camera and show you hopefully how easy it is. That's our hope. But we have our little kit. It says prep time is 2 minutes, creation time is 25 minutes. That's handy. I like that. Roll up cable organizer, finished measurements, what you need, what we send. So I get a sewing machine needle, and I get some sewing pins, I get some thread, I have elastic, I have a zipper, and I have the pre-cut cotton fabrics. I will need sewing machine, iron, and scissors or thread snippers. And there is a PDF pattern so you can make more. I like that. So this is going to be fun. Oh, so far so good. This first one, this is awesome. Yeah, I like the material. It is 100% cotton. Perfect. I love tonal fabrics. And I said musical notes are awesome. So I've got my tags, I have my little fabrics, I have my special tool, I have my information about the elastics, I have my project, and no extra space, no wasted space. And this actually would make a great little gift box. So I'm excited. I'm really happy with it. I'm very pleased. And I can't wait to get started. So be sure to check back again so you can see me putting this together in upcoming videos. Maybe you'll see me using the tool. I love the pins, and I love the idea of the extra needle. Don't forget, you should be changing your needle every so often, because when it gets dull, that's when you have problems in sewing. So Taylor is making sure that we have that under control. Pricing. It depends upon the program that you choose. You know, if you go month to month, if you go 3 month, if you go 6 month, if you go 12 month, obviously the longer commitment, the lower price per month. And there will be a link in the description. They also have a page where maybe you could buy a previous month box. So you want to check out their little shop. I thought that was really interesting. I went around, was looking through that, seeing what they had in the past, and I have to say I didn't see any projects that didn't thrill me. They weren't things that I could use. This would be great, and yes, I'm going to have to make more than one for my kids. Them going to college and being on campus, they're going to need to have their charging cords and their headphones and their earbuds and different things. And this way they'll have them all, instead of stuffed in their pocket, you know, where they fall out or get tangled, this ought to help them out to be a little bit more organized. So what box? I'll tell you what, I'm going to be sewing this cable organizer very soon. So be sure to check back. And don't forget to find us on Facebook under Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners, also at CrazyDavesCrew. And if you're interested in our homesteading and rabbit business, you can also find us at the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. That's both on YouTube and Facebook. We are expanding out a little bit and trying some new things. And just remember, you never know what crazy stuff we get up to here at the Crazy Dave's Crew. I hope you're inspired. I hope you're intrigued. I hope you're as excited as no, you're not as excited as I am. Not yet. Not until you buy your own. This is awesome. And I love it's 30 minutes, you know, give or take. This ought to be wonderful to try to put together and make more. Most of all, I hope you come back. So we will see you right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Just don't forget. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.